Well, I'm back. It is December 10th. It is 1:53 in the afternoon, and I am getting ready to prepare the cube steak. I have I have flour. You can use plain or self-rising. It really doesn't matter a tremendous amount. I just salt and pepper. And then I am going to fry these in olive oil. I don't do a whole lot of frying, but when I do, I use olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. So we're going to. It's a lot easier.
Get out from there! Get out from there!
Honey, I'm making a video. It is a lot easier just to use your hand. Always, before you start cooking, wash your hands. I always wash my hands, and then I gather my food that I want to prepare, and then I wash my hands before I actually start cooking at the stove. But what I'm going to do is just, instead of trying to cover that with flour, with a spoon or something, I'm just going to use my hands. That actually works better. And I am going to, I guess it would have helped if I would have put a little bit of olive oil in here first. I am making a mess, of course. I am a very messy cook. I've discovered that about myself. After having been sick so long, I didn't cook a lot. I was actually bedfast for a couple years. I believe it was 2 years and 4 months. So you kind of lose touch with some things, but that was in 2022. I had 3 surgeries in 2022. But we are, now I'm really bothered with the hip. I think I need hip surgery. But, hip replacement. I accidentally got a little bit of flour in here with the olive oil. It's not going to hurt anything because we're going to have flour in there anyway. I'm going to be sure and get this coated, and I'm going to wait until the pan is warm or hot. It's not. I'm going to start out cooking it on my electric stove on level 4. It has 8 levels, so it's about midways, and you'll just have to use your own judgment. You know, we may have to turn it down. You just have to kind of use your own judgment about some of these things. I normally salt and pepper on both sides. I didn't today, but that's what I normally do. I'm trying to hold, I need to get a little tripod or something, because I'm trying to hold the phone and do this myself, so it makes me one-handed, and then I'm turning around and washing my hands constantly, so that's not the best scenario. Well, I hope everyone is having a great day, and everyone needs to be busy preparing for Christmas if you celebrate the holiday. We've got 2 weeks. It's Christmas Eve. I don't think this is heated up yet. One way you can test is put the flour in, and it really is not hot enough, not yet. I'm going to wait just another minute or so. In the meantime, I'll just continue covering the meat in flour. You really want them coated well. And I had already put salt and pepper in here, in the flour. That's what you see, that black, those specks of black that you see in there, that is pepper. And I am making a mess with this flour. Well, I am 99% ready for Christmas. Just have to work on, I would say, a menu. It's going to be just something simple, I think. I need to get together with my siblings and see what we would like to do.
Have you seen Jelly Roll lately?